If your marriage is struggling and you're hoping that there is a way to reestablish connection in your relationship, you were meant to see this video. Maybe you've experienced serious betrayal, or perhaps your relationship has simply dimmed over the years and you feel disconnected from your spouse. You're not alone. Years ago, my wife Margot and I experienced our own erosion of marital trust and connection. We worked through those challenges together, and now our marriage is stronger than ever. Since then, we've helped thousands of troubled couples around the world heal their relationships and thrive. After years of offering one of the top marriage retreats in the world, we have created a new online course that you can access at your convenience, all about restoring trust and connection in marriage. If you want to rediscover the love you had on your wedding day, if you want to feel safe again with your partner, to be able to communicate openly and freely with them, if you want to be on the same page as them with life plans and goals, our course, Rescuing Trust, is for you. This training is far cheaper than a divorce. Your marriage is worth saving. Click the link below to learn more. We look forward to helping you create a fulfilling and satisfying marriage.